Okay, continuing on with desaturation. This is video number 2. I've already got my base file set up. I'm going to go ahead and copy this layer. So now I have two. I have the original layer and I've got a copy. I'm going to make the black and white. I'm sorry, I'm going to take the copy and I'm going to make it black and white. First hide the one on the bottom and then click the adjustment layer and go to black and white. So now I have a mask on there is what this effectively is, and it looks black and white. Go up here, make sure that the bottom layer is unselected with the eye, and go up to the bar menu and click Merge Visible. So now I truly have two different layers. After that, there's a lot of ways to do a mask. So I'm going to present one way. If you're familiar with another way, that's fine. We can talk more about it in class. So I went ahead and selected that color layer with the eyeball. And I want to accentuate, I want to highlight this egg that's broken. So one way to do it is go ahead and use the quick selection tool to pick that area first. Okay. And then I just go ahead and use that selection tool to the best of my ability. The better your selection, the better the image at the end. This could take you a little while. Make sure you do a good job here. I maybe went down too far, so I come up here and pick the minus. If you like to use another selection tool, and depending on what you're trying to do, it might work better, or the quick selection. So I'm going to go with this just to kind of move this thing along. I'm not so sure about that, but let's go with it. So right now, all I have to do is, with that layer selected, the black and white layer selected, I go ahead and press the Alt key and then click the mask tool. And there I am. I'm highlighted just what I wanted to do. Now, why did this work? This worked because when I pressed the Alt key, it made my mask white on the layer, and it made my color black over here. So black painted onto a white mask is going to reveal the color. It's reverse. If this was black and this color was white, it would select everything else. So we can talk more about that in class. That's about it. I'm going to finish this off in the next